Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something super exciting to share today. You know how we're always looking for smarter, faster ways to grow our income and automate the grind? Well, I've found something that could completely change the game: StreamBotsAI. If you're tired of the traditional time-consuming methods to make money online, stick with me because this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Now, let me get real with you. I've been in the trenches of online business for a while, and I've seen it all. The endless hours of product research, the headaches of writing sales copy or hiring someone to do it for a small fortune, and don't even get me started on video creation. First, you had to buy all this expensive gear, cameras, lights, mics, you name it. Then, there was the struggle of getting on camera, or worse, spending days figuring out how to make slides and record voiceovers if you were camera shy. Oh, and let's not forget the nightmare of editing it all together. If you've been through that process, you know exactly what I mean. It's exhausting, it's costly, and it's frustrating. And if you haven't, consider yourself lucky, because what I'm about to share with you makes all of that completely unnecessary. StreamBotsAI is like having a personal assistant, video editor, and marketing guru all rolled into one. It's an AI-powered system that lets you set up fully automated live events in just 15 minutes. These aren't just any events. They're designed to run for you 24/7, delivering presentations, engaging with attendees, and driving sales, all without you lifting a finger. Let me tell you how it worked for me. In just 14 days, I generated 736 leads using this system. Out of those, 174 attended an automated live event, and 36 became paying customers. That added $41,900 in yearly recurring income to my business. And the best part? I didn't have to do any of the old tedious stuff. No writing scripts, no recording my face or voice, no manually running the event. It was all handled by the AI. Here's what blew me away. The AI wrote my script, turned it into a professional video with slides and a voiceover, and then uploaded everything into their system. From there, the StreamBotsAI platform automated the entire event. It's like having a team of experts running your business while you focus on other things. Even if you're skeptical, let me share another case study that shows just how powerful this system is. Someone used a poor quality email list, one with leads who didn't even know who they were. The automation generated over 500 new leads, got 357 of them to attend the event, and converted 21 into paying customers. That's an attendance rate, which is nearly 10 times the average for online events. And this person added over in monthly recurring income from just minutes of setup. What really sets StreamBotsAI apart is how simple it is. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have any prior experience. Everything is streamlined. The AI handles the heavy lifting, from creating the content to running the event, and you can focus on scaling your business. I also love that they're not just leaving you to figure it all out on your own. They offer a free one-on-one strategy call with either the creator of the system or an executive from their team. It's a chance to get tailored advice for your business and ensure you're making the most of the platform. Plus, their in-house AI technology, which usually costs $499 per month, is available for just $59.95 if you decide to continue after a 3-day free trial. And here's the kicker: there's zero risk. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, you get every penny back, no questions asked. And you still get to keep the system and all the bonuses. It doesn't get fairer than that. So, if you're ready to break free from the old-school grind and embrace a smarter, AI-powered way to grow your income, StreamBotsAI is definitely worth a look. I've seen what it can do firsthand, and I'm excited to see how it helps you. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this. See you next time.